Wiki Wiki.
Wiki Wiki bird. Yeah.
Pretty girl.
He loves it when you guys whistle. He loves to whistle.
Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yes. Yeah, Wiki Wiki.
Wiki Wiki bird. Yeah,
Yes.
Wiki Wiki bird.
Yeah, where's the pretty girl?
Do you want to say I love you? I love you?
I love you.
Almost. Actually, when he says it, it's definitely I love you.
I love you.
I don't know why he does it in the morning. He doesn't say I love you after noontime. I don't know why.
Maybe he must have had a bad day. That's what it is.
No, I mean ever. He just doesn't want to say I love you after noontime.
Oh.
After lunchtime.
You're a star.
Yeah, he loves attention.
Oh,
Yes.
star. Yes. Wow.
He's adorable. He's got a really cute personality.
He certainly does.